Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use a media converter, providing a full guide from setup to advanced applications. We'll start by defining what these essential networking tools are and why they're so valuable. You'll discover the various types of converters, like fiber to Ethernet, and explore their primary functions. This foundational knowledge will prepare you for seamless integration into your existing network infrastructure. Now, let's get hands-on with the installation. First, carefully connect your fiber optic cable into the designated SFP port on the converter. Next, take your standard copper Ethernet cable and plug it into the RJ45 port. Once both cables are securely in place, connect the power adapter. Observe the LED indicator lights. They should illuminate, signaling a successful connection and power supply. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. On another note, if you enjoy bringing different media together, you might love the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to bring music and smart home control into any room. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the video description below. Now let's get back to the video. After installation, it's crucial to verify everything is working correctly. Check your network devices to confirm they are receiving a signal and data is flowing. If you encounter issues, start by checking the link lights on the converter and connected devices. Common problems include incorrect cable types or faulty connections. Ensuring proper data flow means your different media types are communicating effectively. Media converters offer powerful solutions for advanced networking needs. You can extend your network's reach far beyond the typical 100 meters of copper cable by converting to fiber optics. They also allow you to seamlessly integrate older, legacy equipment into your modern, high-speed network infrastructure. Choosing the right converter for your specific bandwidth and distance requirements is key to optimizing overall network performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.